We're underway on trying to find ways to stimulate the cells that remain in the damaged ears to help in repairing the system. And our view on the world is we're trying to stimulate these cells to divide and make new cells with the hope that some of these cells can then be induced into making new sensory hair cells. It's a very difficult system to work with. It's very small tissue. It's deeper within the animal. It's very mechanically sensitive. It's not like folks who work on the eye where it's a very large structure. It's closer to the periphery. So I think that's part of the difficulty. Well, the Hearing Restoration Project is very exciting because it gives us a chance to work as a team. Many minds are better than one. We can trade ideas back and forth, and things will move much more rapidly with our being able to work together, put our heads together. It's a difficult problem, and to be able to solve a problem like that, you have a much better chance if you can get people working together towards accomplishing that. It's the idea of being able to move things along faster. There's a lot of folks out there that need help. This is an opportunity for us to get the science moving along as fast as we can. It's a difficult funding environment right now, and this is a chance to, again, working as a team to get things moving faster so that we can ultimately be able to help the larger community where there's an enormous need for this problem to be solved.